Is your AC freezing up? Well, this customer right here called us because his AC was freezing up. We're about to go check, see what's going on with his AC.
We're about to check this unit out. First thing I noticed, I can hear the condenser on, but I can't hear the fan, so let's go ahead and open this unit. So here, we're just gonna check if our thermostat is actually telling our fan to come on. Let's see if we got 24 volts coming here, which we do. We got 24 volts coming here, which that means our unit should be coming on. Let me check across these. Nothing. We got voltage across this one though, which would be the blue. Super battery, but it's correct.
So in this situation, we checked that the motor wasn't getting any power. We got to submit a quote to this property management company and make sure they approve it before we can replace it. Hopefully they'll approve it today. That way these people don't stay without AC overnight. So let's submit the quote and get that done for them.